It's late at night, you're laying there in bed, and then a Snapchat memory of her pops up. She's with you, smiling, happy, and you're happy too. And for a split second, you smile looking at that picture. But then you realize she's gone. And in that moment, it feels like you missed them, but there's also something deeper that is going on. A lot of the times, you don't actually miss them, you miss everything that came with them. The validation, being liked, the confidence you got from feeling chosen. And then, when they leave, that feeling is just gone. Almost like you lost a part of yourself that you won't get back. And suddenly you start thinking, why am I never enough for anyone? Was I really that special as she said I was? So then you start stalking her, looking at her reposts, her posts, and you start hoping for a sign that maybe she still cares about you deep down, and that things just ended as they did. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, why? Why are you still checking the posts and being attached to her? I don't think it's because of the memories. I think it's because of the possibility. You think she'll regret what she did and come back. You think she'll realize how good you were and come back. And yeah, maybe she will come back. But the reality is that even if she does, things are never going to be the same as they were. But there is something else that you will probably struggle to accept when you wait for someone to come back. Because you keep asking yourself, does she still love me? Does she regret leaving me? But ask yourself this, if you really were that special to her, would she have left you in the first place? No. And when you realize this, everything changes. Because now you need to stop asking yourself, how do I get her back? And start asking, how do I get myself back? So how can you do that? There are 3 things that you need to do. Firstly, stop looking for evidence that she still cares. Because every time you look, it's like you're touching a wound that is slowly healing. And here is the hardest part that you need to do. Remove all of the reminders, unfollow her, stop looking at her account, and if you really need to, block her. Secondly, fill in the parts of yourself that you lost. Start taking your confidence back, your happiness, your life. Start being around people who actually choose you. Set goals for yourself that have nothing to do with her, not because you want to prove what she lost, but because you need to rebuild the parts of yourself that you thought you lost with her. And then thirdly, you need to stop. Stop trying to search for an answer that will never give you peace, because you keep asking yourself, why wasn't I enough? Why did she leave? But the truth is, you can find 1,000 reasons why someone leaves and still be stuck in the same place, because the answer you're looking for isn't going to bring you peace. Acceptance will. And remember, every wound heals with time. Some wounds go deeper than others, some take longer to heal, but slowly you start feeling like yourself again.